He's 14 years old. He's called hiker. He loves hiking with me. Yeah, he was hit by car, so it was very hard recovery. But I'm glad he's okay. He works with me every morning and evening. 3 a.m., 4 a.m. He's ready all the time. There's lots of age on the skin. He's good lad, he eats anything we eat. Sometimes just with milk, sometimes with the yogurt, sometimes moi, buttermilk. Yeah, sometimes even dal bhat just. Sometimes. La 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 la. Okay, पानी खाऊ है त्यो खाएर उसलाई त्यो सोल्ट हुन्छ नि त नमक त्यसपछि खै भात सकेको खुच्चीले सकेको भात कमन ले ले she's Kaylee. She's a year old almost now. She pam. She's very naughty. She's very jealous when the hiker eats something. He likes that one, that plate. Yeah, she's a bit greedy. Okay. Aja, oh. Kelly. Aja, oh. Let out not let out. Let out ubiun who did. Uta here, Uta. Sto छ नि उ त हो केली फेरि यस्तो छ नि उ त हो सिज गुड डान्सर ये आमा वेल डन पाउडर सिद्धियो त्यसमा ओके हात धुन हात पानी खाएन नि त उसले तिमीले त्यहाँ देखाइदिएर ऊ पनि Yeah, there's few boxes. Yeah, what do you call that? Maori. Yeah, they're honey, guys. There's few boys with us, Your life, good morning, भन्छ नि यिनीहरू कस्तो राम्रो छ. They're good, I like it. Doesn't bother me. Dog barking, rooster alarms, But they're very sharp, huh? Yeah. Hi guys, how you doing? Okay. Okay. Yeah. खानेकुरो दिन लाग्यो भनेर उनीहरूले यता गयो Guys, you guys okay? That's a big one. Here's another big one. That is couple. This one. यिनीहरू फेरि हतार गरेको मैले खानेकुरो दिन्छ भनेर यिनीहरू चाहिँ त अलि लोकल जस्तो लेस जस्तो बास्ने मासु चाम्रो हुने धेरै मसल हुँदैन रहेछ धेरै वेट पनि आउँदैन यिनीहरूको तर दे आर गुड एन्ड जुधेर फेरि सिउरमा चाहिँ त्यो क्राउनमा जम्मै स्क्रैच इज ह्याभिङ गुड टाइम गुड ब्युटिफुल वाइफ Yeah, red rooster. यहाँ चाहिँ हाम्रो मौरी थियो यो यहाँ चाहिँ मौरी थियो अहिले टालेको धेरै वर्ष बसेको थियो अहिले बक्समा राखिदिएको बसेको छ गुड गुड फ्रेन्ड्स हेर्नु कस्तो हुन्छ भिडियो मेरो भिडियो यस्तै हो साथीहरू नो कट जस्ट वान स्टेप हान्दिने म त अलिकति घाम लागे पनि मलाई भिडियो बनाउनु मन लाग्छ पानी पर्यो भने नि मजा लाग्छ तरकारी हरियाली जे देखे पनि